Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs, eating dinner. So, I had done this beautiful black bean rice last week that stayed in the refrigerator for too long. Oh, I have callaloo. And it stayed in the refrigerator. And half of it was dumped. And it was so good. And when I was dumping it, I remember that I could have realized, thank you God, that I could have bogged it up in a little plastic freezer bag, an individual serving, and froze it. Can't talk today. For future. So, I cooked more again today. So, this is my third batch. The first and second batches burnt. This one came out really good. Because I'm not in the kitchen most of the time. I'm trying to multitask. So, if you cook too much, remember that you can freeze them. Buy little freezer bags and freeze them for future. Sometimes you can grab one and go to work with it. Or you're getting home late, you can say to hubby, grab one and make dinner, or to the kids. Instead of throw them out, right? So, do that. Black beans and white rice. And my instruction, I boil the peas for about 15 to 25 minutes, depending on your heat. And I put low-fat coconut milk, thyme, basil, sage, butter, salt to taste, and some pepper. I did black and red pepper. And do you know how to measure rice, guys? 1 cup of water to 1 pound of rice. That's how you cook rice. All right, see that? 1 cup of water to 1 pound of rice. So if you look on the package, I say beginner, buy the small package of rice. You can buy a 1 pound bag or a 2 pound bag. And then, start with 1 pound. So you need, 2 cups of water to 1 pound of rice. And never go wrong. Season it to taste and cook it on a low heat, watching it. And you'll get this beautiful, beautiful cooked rice. In Jamaica, this is rice and peas. And as a Jamaican, I appreciate cooking rice and peas on Sunday almost every Sunday. And if I miss Sunday, I'm cooking it on Monday or Tuesday, right? And then I have leftovers for a couple of days and cook again, right? So if you do that, never go wrong. And then make sure you put it on a white plate and you can appreciate the beauty of the color of the seasoning and the rice. It's just beautiful. And tonight I have chicken. Tonight I don't know if I'm gonna do chicken. I'm trying to lose a couple of pounds. So, but be kind and courteous. Love your neighbors. Check on your elderly. Peace.